Foreign institutional investors (FIIs). FIIs are a subset of foreign portfolio investors. FPIs comprising large institutional investors like mutual funds, pension funds, insurance companies, and hedge funds. FIIs typically adopt a strategic and structured investment approach in foreign financial markets, offering long-term capital inflows to emerging economies like India. However, rapid FII outflows can destabilize domestic markets, making regulatory oversight crucial. Regulatory framework governing FIIs in India. FIIs are regulated by the Foreign Exchange Management Act (FEMA) 99, SEBI Foreign Portfolio Investors Regulation. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) monitors sectoral investment ceilings daily. Investment ceilings and eligibility. FIIs can invest up to 10% in any single Indian economy, subject to a cumulative FII NRI PIO limit of 24%. Investment ceilings and eligibility. Eligible FII entities now include university funds, charitable endowments, and trusts with a minimum 5-year operational track record. FIIs are permitted to invest in unlisted securities and use their proprietary funds. Macroeconomic drivers. A major reason cited for the increased FII participation is the softening of the US dollar index, which had declined from 104-105 to nearly 9900, improving the relative strength of the Indian rupee. Reserve Bank of India's accommodative stance and macro stability have encouraged investment, particularly in banking, financial services, and insurance sectors. Meanwhile, FIIs reduced their exposure to the IT sector due to concerns about a potential US recession and its impact on tech earnings.